This is where the insertions were put in, by the way.
Yun. So nandun po siya.
No, the speaker did not attend those meetings. Senator Grace Poe was not allowed to attend most of those meetings. It ended up Saldico and Senate President Escudero were the ones that actually penciled in whatever needed to be penciled in at the end. And if you know, Karen, if you look at the budget, there are 20,000 DPWS projects, 20,000. So, it takes a lot of, real painstaking work to do it. But it was the two that actually finalized those things. And that is what I'm saying did not come to light until just recently. This is the situation everybody knew was the case as early as January. So now,
Congressman, is it right to say that Zaldico, and are you saying she's Escudero, are frankly to blame for the 2025 budget?
Yes.